What's that sound?
Hey! Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew! Right on time.
Hey there.
Hello!
Let's do this!
Stop right there!
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh, I see.
Wait!
Why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's mermaid makeover time for you!
Whoa!
Where are we?
So cool!
Ha! A surprise box! I love surprises! Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow!
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this?
Huh? My turn! Let's see what the seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking? We got a cute visitor!
Aww!
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
Yum!
Yum indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy. Yay! Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead.
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next. I was right. Let's try it.
Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying… Wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it off! Help!
Whoa! Nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! Oh, of course I love it! You're really good at your job.
Bye!
Bye!
Your hair looks amazing! Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey, good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How is that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though. Let me show you. Can't imagine you without your signature front hair pieces. So I'm creating a mermaid version of those. Voila.
Wow, thanks.
You're welcome. But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these. Check it out.
Wow, I love it so much. This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit.
Huh?
Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see. Mine's gotta be golden. I think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh, wow. Our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay!
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too.
And I have no reason to not put them on my face.
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies. Get out of the way. I got them all. You use pearls. I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need, magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift? Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh, wait, they can't. Nobody's around. That means I'll sing all the songs out loud. Woohoo! Let's go! Hunt tricks!
Our dear fans.
You're all shining today. We're going up.
It's our moment. Why is this happening to me?
Wow! I wish I was a gorgeous mermaid! I'd have sparkly fins like these. Wow! And a bejeweled crown! But I'm stuck with boring buns. So beautiful!
Oh, Betty! No reading, it's bedtime.
But these mermaids! I want to be just like them!
It's bedtime.
Aw, fine.
Sweet dreams.
I only want to dream about mermaids! Gorgeous, glittery mermaids!
Whoa! Am I underwater? I feel so light and free. I'm a pretty good swimmer.
Oh, Betty? Oh, no! Betty, where are you? Betty! Oh, dear!
Nothing like an evening in. What's this? Looks pretty good. I think it's a new episode, too. So silly. It's getting good. Oh, I'm so clumsy. It's gonna leave a stain. I've gotta act fast here. I think I'm just making it worse. Oh! I must have another top here. This won't do. This is even worse. Anything I can use in here? Like this bowl. Oh! And I look nuts. Nothing's working. Ugh! Oh, jeez. What about these metal lids? I'm kinda glad these don't work. I'm starting to panic here. What can I do with this? Come on. Ugh, this really isn't working. What am I gonna do? What is that? Wait a minute. My old silly putty. Interesting. Can I make something out of this? Let's find out. That's a pretty good size. Use a brush to create the design. I'm making mine look like a shell. See how I'm rounding out the edges? Now for a pop of color. Purple is the perfect choice. Use black to define the details. See how it comes alive? Some sparkle doesn't hurt either. Ta-da! They fit on my top perfectly! So cute, isn't it? The more pearls, the better. Don't you agree? It's perfection! Bye-bye, stain. Hello, fabulous! I like it even better than the old one. Oh, right. This calls from some more chocolate. Or maybe not. Clean's the way to be. Take that, sea monster! I win! Ha!
Betty!
Huh? Candy! I'm coming! Ow! So hot! Ouch!
Careful!
Yay! I have chocolate! But my feet are on fire!
Oh no! Hey, why don't you use your noodle?
Huh?
This stuff is great against the heat. We have some work to do. Get those scissors ready. Come on, you can do it. Place double-sided tape along the noodle piece. Then attach the 3 pieces like so. Get those hot tootsies ready. Noodle shoes to the rescue.
Wow!
This'll keep your feet secure. There! Feel better? This is all that's left.
Oh.
Bye.
Oh, okay.
Kids.
I don't feel any heat at all. These are awesome! I'm melting in here. It's so hot.
I brought you some ice cream, honey. It'll cool you down.
Thanks, Dad!
And some cold soda for me.
Dad? A little help?
Oh no! Let's see. Ooh, that's rough. We need some relief in here. I don't know which level to use. Is this thing even working? No, this can't be happening. We need moving air.
Daddy, I'm melting!
Me too.
Ugh, so I smell. Much better.
I can't take much more of this. Wait a minute. My bottle. Hold on.
Huh?
Okay, now I can do this. Use a blade to cut off the top. This is the part we need. Next, we cut all the way to the cap. Watch your fingers. Now bend back all the cut pieces. Kind of looks like a flower. Now round out those edges. Just one more here. And we've got some fan blades. Turn it over and poke a hole in the cap. Once that's done, get a nice stretchy rubber band. Stick the rubber band through here. Use a small stick to hold it there. Now use another bottle, and stick the other end of the band through. Keep pushing it through. Use another stick to hold it in place. Now for a little bit of color. It's perfect! It's about to get cooler in here. First, turn it. And release.
But why? Whoa! You made a real fan, Dad! It feels so fantastic! Wow! Thanks!
You got it.
This thing is super awesome!
That's what I'm here for.
These summer hacks are sure to keep you happy and cool. Put them to good use and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.